here now at the street where they have the umbrellas. Oh no no. Oh no, it's okay. I don't like hats. No.
Where you from, bro?
I'm from New York, but
New York #1.
Oh.
Happy hour, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
You took the hat to go to food.
Oh no, I don't wear hats. Yeah. Yeah, I don't wear hats, so. Oh, and we're back with the umbrellas. So, oh, sometimes I gotta watch out. I'm always like trying to watch my back. All right, we're back, man. We're here. We had there was a lot of cars coming through, but still pretty dope. Umbrellas in the sky. I think they need to make maybe like 2 streets or just a really long street full of umbrellas, because I just think too much going on in this small street. People selling stuff, all this construction. Look at this. It's crazy. So I think we need to get going to another spot. There's just too much activity here. Hola. There's just too much activity here. I can't get nowhere. Oh, this is nice. They have this this is nice. I don't know what to say. Oh, this is way better. But I do like umbrellas though, so it's kind of different. Yeah, we'll keep this going. Oh, they're going to the store. We just hear in these Colombian streets, it's fire. Like, it's really hot. Sweating. I've never been burned. Never. And it burns now. Now it burns. Into my soul. And they're making it happen, these ladies. I don't know what they're talking about. But they're... Just here walking in the sorry. Everybody taking their photos and their videos right now. So we're trying to. Where are we going? I send photos to people. I'll be like, I need to go here, and then that's how it happens. It's probably one of the best ways to get there. Like, hey, I want to go here, and you just show a photo. So